Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and also we are in Binomial Theorem chapter. See, this is 4th class and we will solve in this class 4 questions 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? Let us see JEE question. This is in the binomial expansion of a minus b whole to the power of f. This is a simple one. This is okay, but minus is there. Observe carefully. But n value approximately they have given, but it should not be less than 5. That means greater than or equal to 5. We don't know the number. The sum of 5th and 6th terms is 0. That hint they have given. Sum of 5th and 6th terms are 0. But a by b is how much like they are asking. They are not asking a is how much, b is how much, but a by b is how much like they are asking. At least one they have to give, then we can find another one. Or else you can find only this type of relation only. As per my experience I am telling. Okay? Proceed further then. 5th term is what I am writing, you see, T5 is equal to n is there, okay, nc4 a power n minus 4 minus b power 4, okay, but minus b power 4 means normal 4 only, you see, nc4 a power n minus 4 into b power 4. Why? Because see, whenever this is even, then minus is not going to make any this thing. Okay, this is the this term box here. Now come back. Another one, 6th term, right? 6th term also. T6 is equal to nc5. Okay. And same a power n minus 5, okay, n minus 5 minus b power 5. See, this time minus will not go. Why? Because see, now this is odd, okay, but given both are equal, sorry, not equal, sum of these two terms equal to 0. See how I am writing. See, nc4 a to the power of n minus 4 b to the power of 4 plus you have right, but here is minus is there. Okay, see what I am writing, minus nc5 a to the power of n minus 5 b to the power of 5. Why? This minus already have transferred here. Okay, this is equal to 0 as per this. Okay, now you see, if it is equal to 0, this is equal to that one. Shall I write? Definitely, write down then. See, nc4 into a power n minus 4 into b power 4 is equal to this minus is going to become equal positive a power n minus 5 b power 5. Okay, see, all are in multiplication, then you see b power 4 completely cancelled out and here only b will be there. Is it okay? Yes, definitely okay. Okay, okay, now come back here. Come back, comma, a to the power of n minus 4, see what I am writing. A to the power of n minus 4 by a to the power of n minus 5. nc5 by nc4. Okay, you see here, a power n minus 4 minus n plus 5, okay, is equal to, see, nc5 by nc4. This time you keep like this only, next we will make expansion. You see, plus n minus n, 5 minus 4 is 1, that means a it is going to become a, that's all. Okay, wait a minute, here b is there. See, b power 4 gone, but b is there still. Okay, this b you have to transfer here. This b also outside this side. Okay, this will outside this side and a this will outside this side. That means this side here b is there. That means a by b. Okay, see what I am writing now. Okay, a by b is equal to, see, NC5, how can I write? See how I am writing. n factorial by n minus 5 factorial 5 factorial. See, divide it by, shall I write into, but this n factorial n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. Is it correct? First you see, why? Because division I have made like this. Okay. See what will happen here. N factorial first you cancel out. Okay. Next I will some more see what I am doing. A power b is equal to, see, n minus 5 is there, n minus 4 is there. See, numerator first I am making, you see, n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial. Shall I write like this? This one? Okay. Okay. Now 4 factorial you keep like this only. 4 factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial you keep like this only. Why? Because numerator n minus 5 factorial is there, you can cancel out. Okay. But this 5 factorial, 5 into 4 factorial. 5 into 4 factorial. Okay. Now a by b don't touch anything. See, 4 factorial, n minus 5 factorial, n minus 5 factorial. Now you tell me what will be the a by b value. A by b is equal to n minus 4 by 5. Okay. This is answer for this question. This is JEE question. Okay. Let us go for next question. See, question number 14. Eamcet 2018 question. If the coefficients of 2 alpha plus 4th term and alpha minus 2th term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of 2019 are equal, then what is the value of alpha, like they are asking. Okay. Let us proceed. Okay. Let us proceed. See, 2 plus alpha, 2 alpha plus 4th term means how I can write? You see, t 2 alpha plus 4 is equal to, but n we know 2019 c 2 alpha plus 4 minus 1, that means 2 alpha plus 3, 2 alpha plus 3. Okay. Let's see, 1 power something you did not write. Okay. Then directly you write x to the power of 2 alpha plus 3. Okay. This is this term, but here coefficient only important, don't confuse. Okay. And then I will write this term also, t alpha term of alpha minus 2 is equal to alpha minus 2th term. Okay. See, n is 2019, once again you write 2019 c alpha minus 2 minus 1, alpha minus 3. Okay. And again 1 power something you did not write, but x to the power of alpha minus 3. Okay. Now wait, what they have written? The coefficients of these two expansions are equal. That means, see, what are the coefficients here? These two are coefficients. X you don't take. You have to take only coefficients. Okay, see what I am writing. 2019 C 2 alpha plus 3 is equal to 2019 C alpha minus 3. Okay. See, whenever these two are equal like they are telling and n is also same, then what we can write here? As per basic, we can write like this, you see. 2 alpha plus 3 plus alpha minus 3 is equal to 2019. Okay? If equal symbol is there and these, if we add, automatically this will come. But equal symbol and this also should be equal, then only. Okay? Both should be n, c, p is equal to ncq. Like that we think. If ncp is equal to ncq, p plus q is equal to n. Okay, this property we know. Okay, now you see 2 alpha plus alpha, 3 alpha plus 3 minus 2 going to get cancelled. 3 alpha is equal to 2019, then alpha is equal to 2019 by 3. Okay, 3 6, 18, 21, 3 7s and 3 3s. 673 is your answer. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see, Eamcet 2019 question, 15th question. This is a little bit bigger question. Let us try to solve in this board. If the coefficients of r plus 1th, r plus 2th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of 14 are in arithmetic progression. Okay, but coefficients only, not complete term. Coefficients you have to take r to r plus 1 to r plus 2 to. Okay, arithmetic progression. Then what is the value of r, like they are asking? Okay, see, answer is 5 or 9 will come. Why? Because quadratic equation will come. R value will be 2 values will come. 5 or 9. Okay. Let us see. Let us see how to proceed on that. Okay. Write down. Rth term means TR. See what I am writing. TR is equal to n is there 14 C R minus 1. Okay. 1 power you need not write, but x power directly write. X power R minus 1. Okay. But here coefficient is 14 C R minus 1 only you have to take. Okay. This is this one. Okay. Now go for next term. I am changing the color. Why? Because see, all are different. TR plus 1. 14 C R plus 1 minus 1. That means R. 1 power you need not write, but x power you write. X power R. Okay. This is next one. But here only 14 CR you have to take. 14 CR minus 1, 14 CR. Now go for next one. Third one. Okay. Okay. PR plus 2. R plus 2th term. 14 C R plus 1. Why? Because R plus 2 minus 1. R plus 1. R minus 1. R plus 1 will come. Okay. X power R plus 1. Okay. Now see. You have to take only coefficient 14 CR minus 1, 14 CR, 14 CR plus 1. These three are in arithmetic progression. I am writing once again, you see. 14 CR minus 1, comma, 14 CR, comma, 14 CR plus 1 are in AP. AP means arithmetic progression. If these are AP, what will be there? A plus C by 2 is equal to B, or else A plus C is equal to 2B. Write down. Comma I am keeping 14C R minus 1 plus 14C R plus 1 is equal to 2 times of center one, 14CR. Okay? See, if you solve this, then you are going to get only R is variable here, that's all. Equation is there, you can solve. But here equation direct answer they don't give, they do two answers. Let us see what will happen and all. You see 14C R minus 1, how I am writing, you see, observe carefully. 14 factorial by R minus 1 factorial. 14 minus R minus of minus 1 plus 1. Okay? That means see 14 plus 1 minus R factorial. Shall I write like this? You understand this? 14 minus R minus of minus 1 plus 1. 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 R else I will write like this, you see. 14 minus R plus 1 factorial. Okay? This plus 14 factorial by R plus 1 factorial. And now you see 14 minus R minus 1. Because here minus was there, then the plus has come. But here 14 minus R minus 1 factorial. 14 minus R minus 1 factorial. This is equal to 2 times of, that means 2 into 14 factorial by. Okay? This is easy. R factorial, okay? 14 minus R factorial. Okay. Now see, step by step we will cancel out. R else you are not able to understand. R 14 factorial, can I cancel out 14 factorial, 14 factorial? That means here 2 will be there, here 1 will be there. That means 1 and 1 will be there. Okay? That is one thing. Another thing you see, observe carefully here. First we will cancel R plus 1, R minus 1. You see, which is least to R minus 1 is least. Then you bring this as R plus 1 into R minus 1 factorial. This R into R minus 1 factorial. Then R minus 1, R minus 1, R minus 1 factorial. If we cancel out, then R 1 factorial will go. Afterwards we will see this one. Okay? See what I am writing now. 1 by, but this is r minus 1 factorial, you keep like this only. Okay, but this you see 15 minus r factorial plus 1 by, now you see r plus 1 I am changing, you see r minus 1 factorial up to outright. That means you see r plus 1 into r minus 1 factorial. For r1 plus 1 factorial, r plus 1 into r minus 1 factorial. That means you see again 14 minus 1, 13. 13 minus r factorial. Okay, that is equal to. Okay. Come back here. Here 2 will be there in numerator. Here also see up to r minus 1 you have to go. That means r into r minus 1 factorial. 14 minus r factorial you keep like this only. Okay, afterwards we will see. Now you see r minus 1 factorial cancel out. R minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial. Okay? Wait. Now, after cancellation of r minus 1 factorial, r plus 1 into r will be there, that is not a problem. But you see here, 13 minus r factorial is reached. Okay, then you separate for this also. See how I am doing this, separate. 1 divided by, here r minus 1 factorial gone. 15 minus r into 14 minus r into 13 minus r factorial. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay? 15 minus r into 14 minus r into 13 minus r factorial. 13 minus r factorial is least. Plus 1 by, but here you see r into r plus 1 is there. Don't forget. R into r plus 1, no factorial. But 13 minus r factorial, you give 13 minus r factorial like this only. Okay? That is equal to 2 times r, okay, divided by, but here r is there, you keep like this only r. 14 minus r, you going to have 14 minus r into 13 minus r factorial. 14 minus r into 13 minus r factorial. Okay. Now see all 13 minus r factorial cancel out. 13 minus r factorial, 13 minus r factorial, 13 minus r factorial. Okay. Okay. Now what will happen here? First you cross multiply. R into r plus 1, see what I am writing. R into r plus 1, okay, plus this one. 15 minus r into 14 minus r. 15 minus r into 14 minus r. Okay, now divided by, you see, r into r plus 1, r into r plus 1 into 15 minus r into 14 minus r. 15 minus r into 14 minus r. Okay, now there is no factorial, but this side you go. 2 by r into 14 minus r factorial. No, not factorial, 14 minus r. You see, denominator r shall I cancel? Denominator 14 minus r shall I cancel? Okay, now you see, up to 50% I am going to rub this board. Okay, see, answer I already told you. R is equal to 5 or 9 should come. Up to this I am cancelling, rubbing. Pass and note down. Okay. Okay. Come back. See, this side only 2 is there. Okay. Then you send that side. Because you need not write again denominator. Okay. See, r square plus r. Write down. Just you have to write down. You cannot take it. R square plus r. R square plus r plus. You see, 15 into 14. 15 into 4, 60. 15 into 1, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 210. Okay? 15 into 14. Minus 15r, minus 14r. Minus 15r, minus 14r. Minus 29r. Minus 29r. See here plus r is there. Afterwards minus 28r it is going to become. That is different. Minus r into minus r plus r squared. Okay. See, this denominator I am sending for multiplication, but don't send 2 inside. But this you can make this one. Okay, see, 15 minus r into r plus 1. You see, 15r, right now, 15r minus r square. 15r minus r square plus 15 minus r. Okay, see why I have written, why, because here something if you do 2 can you can take and 2 you cancel that. That's why 2 don't send inside like I told you. Okay, come back again then. You see, r square plus r square, 2r square. Okay, see, minus 29r plus r minus 28r plus 210 is equal to 2 times r 15 r minus r 14r. Okay, 15r minus r 14r minus r square plus 15. Okay, comma I am keeping. Okay, now you see here I want to take 2 common. If I take 2 common here, you see what will happen. 2 if I take common, r square minus 14r plus 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. Okay, that is equal to 2 times of 14r minus r square plus 15. Okay, now we cancel out these 2. Okay, now we bring r one side. Why? Because see that minus r square, if it comes here, plus r square it is going to become. That means in 2r square again it is going to become 1r square plus r square. See, 14r minus 28r minus 28r, again it has become minus 28r. Okay, now you see 105 minus 15, 90 as plus 90 equal to 0. Okay, now again 2 take common. R square minus 14r plus 45 equal to 0. Okay, see, now this is the quadratic equation. R value you can find easily. See, 45 should come and 14 should come, minus 14. 45 and minus 14. See, 9 into 5, 45, 9 plus 5, 14. But minus has to come, means you take minus. Minus 9 into minus 5 plus 45. Minus 9, minus 9 minus 5 minus 14. Okay, that means what is the value of r? R is equal to 5r9. Okay, see, whenever you get here factors minus minus, then values will be plus. If you get factors plus plus, then values will be minus. Or else again you can do it, that is not a problem. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see, third term how you are going to write is n is 5, 5c3 minus 1, 2, 5c2 into 1 power something you did not write, but this you write, x power log x to the base 2 whole to the power of 2, but this value is 2560. Okay, 5c2 value is 10. Then see, x power, this 2 shall I send here? Okay, write down 2 log x to the base 2 is equal to 2560 by 10. Why? 5c2 value I will send that side, 256 it has happened. Okay, now see what will happen here. Apply, see, this step is crucial. Apply log both sides with base e, base 2. Okay, base also important. Apply log both sides with base 2. Okay, see what I am writing. Log of base 2, actually base 2 afterwards you have write. You see what I am writing. Log of x power 2 log x to the base 2, but here also base 2, that is equal to, here also you see log 256 to the base 2. See, log 256 base 2 you can know. Why? Because if 2 power 8 is 256, that is why this value is going to become 8. Write down here. This also you see log m power n, m log n, write down 2 log x to the base 2 into again log x to the base 2, that is equal to, but this is 2 power 8 is 256, means log 256 to the base 2 means 8. Okay, if that is the case, see what will happen here. 2 you send this side, But this is log 2x, log x into log x, log square. Right now. Log x to the base 2 whole square is equal to 8 by 2, 4. Okay? Log x to the base 2 whole square is equal to 4. Log x, so this 2 divided by 8. Let's see. If I remove square, log x to the base 2 is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay? Plus or minus 2 if you remove square. Plus or minus 2. See, then what about x then? See, x, that means base 2 is there. Understand? Then how you are going to write? 2 power plus or minus 2. 2 power plus or minus 2. Why? Because base is 2. But here e is there means log x is, that means if x is e power 2. Okay, now you tell me what will happen? 2 power plus 2 means 4 or 2 power minus 2 means 1 by 4. 2 power plus 2 means 4. 2 power minus 2 means 1 by 4. Okay? This is the answer. Now we stop this class and we will continue in the next class. Okay? Thank you very much.